back to school. You've made it through the summer, now there's work to do. So put a smile on your face and sing out with me. We're gonna have a good year, just wait and see.
Hello scholars, welcome back to school. Now we will begin with the first lesson for the term, which is on the topic Africa. And we're going to look at a lot of interesting things about Africa. Now, Africa is not a country. Please note this. Africa is a continent. It has many different countries in it that speak different languages and have different regions and ethnicity. So Africa is one of the continents. There are 7 continents in the world. So Africa is one of the continents. Now, facts about Africa. Africa is home to over 1 billion people who speaks over 1,500 different languages. So there are different people, different plants, and different animals in Africa. Africa is a rich land. Okay, now Africa is the second most populated continent after Asia. So Asia is the first most populated continent. Okay, oceans and seas in Africa. Africa is surrounded by oceans and sea. So at the west part of Africa, you find the Atlantic Ocean. At the east part of Africa is the Indian Ocean. At the northeast is the Red Sea, and at the north is the Mediterranean Sea. So there are 4 oceans and seas in Africa. We have the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Red Sea, and also the Mediterranean Sea. Now let's look at the map of Africa. This is a picture of the map of Africa. It has different countries found in it. You can see them. We have Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Nigeria, Chad, Sudan, and so on. So these are the countries in Africa. Okay, let's also look at the political map of Africa. And here we're going to discuss the 5 regions of found in Africa. There are 5 regions found in Africa. Now these regions are the North Africa, the West Africa, the East Africa, the Central Africa, and also the Southern Africa. So the regions of Africa are 5. They are the North, South, East, West, and Central Africa. Now if you look at this map, the second map, you will see that we have different colors here. The side of the purple is the Northern Africa, and examples of countries in the Northern Africa are Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Sudan. Okay, now the part of the light green is the West Africa. Now West Africa, we have Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, etc. Then the parts with the ash color represent the East Africa. Examples of countries found in the East Africa are Kenya, Tanzania, Ethiopia, Zambia, etc. The part with red is the Southern Africa. Remember, we're talking about the second map. Now the part with red is the Southern Africa. An example we have there is in Botswana, Republic de South Africa, etc. Then the other part we have there is the Central Africa. The peach color part is the Central Africa. And examples of country we have there is Cameroon, Chad, Republic Democratic the Congo, etc. So these are the countries according to the regions in Africa. Don't forget we have 5 regions in Africa: the North, the East, the West, the South, and the Central Africa. Okay, now let's move on to the countries in Africa and how they are grouped. The countries in Africa are grouped into three speaking countries. We have the Anglophone countries, we have the Francophone countries, and we have the Portuguese countries. Now, the Anglophone countries speak English. There are the countries in Africa that speak English. Examples are the Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Uganda, Liberia. So these countries speak English. Now we have the Francophone countries. They speak French. The Francophone countries in Africa speak what? French. Examples of these countries are Algeria, Benin, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Chad, Congo, Morocco, Gabon, etc. These are some of the countries that speak French in Africa. Now the last is the Portuguese countries that speak Portuguese, and they are also called the Lusophone speaking countries. They are Angola, Cape Verde, Guinea, Bissau, etc. So these are the countries according to the languages they speak. Okay, now let's also look at different languages spoken in Africa. There are different languages, a lot of languages spoken in Africa, but these are few. Algeria speaks Arabic, Angola speaks Portuguese, Benin speaks French, Botswana speaks English, Burkina Faso speaks French, Burundi speaks French, Cabo Verde speaks Portuguese. We have Central African Republic, speaks French. We have Chad, speaks French. Comoros speaks French. Democratic Republic of the Congo speaks French. Republic of the Congo speaks French. Cote d'Ivoire speaks French, and Djibouti speaks French. So these are some of the countries and the language spoken in Africa. Some of the African countries and the languages they speak. Now also it is placed in the map form. It is placed in the map form. Now the countries on red are countries that speaks English. Yeah, English speaking countries. The countries on blue are French speaking countries. The countries on dark green speaks Portuguese. The countries on brown speaks French or Arabic. The countries on purple speaks French and English. You can also see that there's a small part of the map with light blue. The country speaks Spanish. So these are the different countries in Africa and the languages spoken in the countries. Now let's move on to interactive questions before we call it a day. Now the first interactive question here says, Dutch is an Anglophone speaking country. A. Kenya, B. Congo, C. Algeria. So I want you to answer these on your own. Dutch is an Anglophone speaking country. Okay, the right option is A. Kenya. Kenya speaks English. Number 2 interactive question says, Africa has dash regions. How many regions are found in Africa? I hope you haven't forgotten it. Okay, now the right option to this question is B. Africa has 5 regions.